alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. This is Jørpeland, administrative center of Strand municipality in Rogaland County. It's 20 kilometers northeast of the city of Stavanger. And this is the red concrete bridge, reminiscent of the Golden Gate in San Francisco. It's 140 meters long and connects the mainland with Jørpeland's Holmen. Holmen is an outdoor area. It has built a 2-kilometer long hiking trail that winds along the shoreline. There are built seating for grilling and a course for frisbee golf. Masters in carving have made wooden figures with chainsaws. The town of Jørpeland is in a very mountainous area. It is surrounded by many mountains, including the very famous Rogaland, or sometimes called Pulpit Rock.
That one.
We are looking for the base, so we could start the game. Let's go, guys.
We aim to put this plate inside that one.
That's it. Because my son told me.
This one.
Okay, let me.
So it's like.
You guys have to be careful when you are walking.
Ah!
Malum, what way you are going? Just
Ah!
the animal dropping.
Hold on.
Oh,
China too far.
Where? Where are the marks?
Okay, are you going to throw in a
Where?
the basket? Okay, try. Okay, and then?
Where are the marks?
Oi! Number 9. I was close. I was close.
Where we should stand? There you go.
Yeah, this is too far. Something is wrong.
Something is wrong. So, this is nice. This is made of this tree.
Did you get ready in the dark
Look.
or something?
It's nice, guys.
It's a beautiful night.
Ooh.
Don't you know?
And then look at that. Wow, this is cool.
Don't judge me.
This is the overview of Jørpeland. There is the city. And this is connecting bridge. If you want to have an adventure trail or just have some walk here.